ZebPay bank account ad problem, how to fix. If you're having issues whenever you're trying to add a bank account on your ZebPay app, well, it's only that you have to use the instructions properly. Open the ZebPay app here, then tap on the three lines option from the top left, which will take you to this My Account page. Now from here, what you can do is you can go to this option that says bank, right? So go to the bank option and then just select that option that says add bank. And once I select the add bank option, all you have to do is make sure that your bank information is correct. So enter your full name that is on your bank account, your full bank name, the account number, and confirm the account number. Enter your IFSC code. You can upload bank statement or products or anything that you have, maybe check or anything just for verification. Then you can click on the save bank details, and when you do this, you'll be able to go ahead and then add a bank account without any sort of issues on the ZebPay app. So I hope that this video helped you. If you have got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and as always, see you soon in our next video.